Hi! Today, I'm gonna make Japanese gyoza from scratch. Making gyoza from scratch sounds complicated, but actually it's not so difficult. You just need to get regular flour and self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can actually make it with only regular flour. For the filling, I'm gonna use ground chicken and this. Chinese chives. I know it's not common in the US, but you might be able to find one at an Asian supermarket. But if you can't find one, you can use cabbage instead. Put flour and salt in a bowl. Add 2/3 cup of hot water. Stir them with chopsticks. Knead a dough. Make it into a round shape and wrap it with a plastic wrap. Leave it for 15 minutes in a room temperature. In the meanwhile, let's make the filling. Cut Chinese chives into 1/2 inches. Cut 1 green onion into small pieces. Peel and grate ginger and garlic. Put all ingredients in a bowl. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of pepper. Mix everything well. Spread cornstarch. Unwrap the dough and make a long thin shape. Cut the dough into 36 pieces. Make 36 small circles. Use a roller and make a flat circle dumpling skin. You don't have to make perfect circles. Spread cornstarch on a plate. Place the filling in the center of the dumpling skin. Put water on the half edge of the skin. Fold it half. Close the dumpling tightly using your fingers. To grill the dumplings, add oil in a pan and heat it well. Place the dumplings. Cook them with a high heat for 1 minute. Add 2/3 cup of water. If you want to make crispy wings, mix 1 tablespoon flour into the water. Cook them with a medium heat for 10 minutes. Open the lid. Cook them with medium heat for about 5 minutes until all the water evaporates. To make crispy wings, add sesame oil around the edges. Cook until the bottom of the dumplings become light brown and crispy. Use a table knife and unstick the dumplings from the pan. To make boiled dumplings, bring the water to a boil. Stir the water to create a flow. Add a dumpling one by one while continuing to make a flow to avoid the dumplings from sticking to the pan. Put the lid and cook them with medium heat until the water starts boiling again. Add 1 cup of cold water in the pan and cook them with medium heat until the water starts boiling again. Repeat the process 3 times. You should add cold water 3 times in total. Drain the dumplings and serve. For the dipping sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chili oil. If you have Chinese black vinegar, that would go well with the boiled dumplings. Well, delicious dumplings are ready. Enjoy!